To me, crime in a neighborhood is really about, it's what really brings down the neighborhood. And just in my experience, there's problems with prosecuting the Class C misdemeanor crimes because those are handled through the municipal courts in the city, and Fort Worth has been notorious for having a real unorganized, scrambled, non-efficient, non-effective municipal court system. I believe that economic development is so tied into community development that that's really how you build economic development, is to build the community up, to take care of the small, what some people call petty crimes that happen. If you can get those out of there and find jobs for people and work with people on a street level. I don't mean out of boardrooms. I'm talking about getting in the neighborhoods, walking the neighborhoods, maybe even have a town hall on a street corner. But these dog and pony shows that they call town hall meetings is not really what this district needs. This district needs a real hands-on, get your hands dirty type working person. And I think that I can do that. You won't find me spending money, the taxpayers' money, on pet projects that we give millions of dollars to these developers and nothing ever happens. Or the projects are so poorly planned from a business standpoint that they don't help. If you have 230 slots to build houses, and in 2 years you've only sold 30 to 35% of that, to me that is a horrible business plan. That's not economic development. If you don't have grocery stores and parks and things that families can do around a housing project, what have you done? Economic development is quality of life issues. They're things that matter to people's lives, like grocery stores. There's not a grocery store in East Fort Worth, Southeast Fort Worth, or East Fort Worth. There's no grocery store. And you look around in these neighborhoods, and a lot of these people have been here all their lives. You have 80 and 90-year-old ladies that are living by themselves, and the crime has just come in and it's destroyed that neighborhood. And now my opponent wants to tear down historical houses like you see in these clips. These homes belong here. This is part of the heritage here. And the crime should be gotten out of this neighborhood. This is a historic neighborhood. The houses rebuilt, refurbished, bring people in here, and get this neighborhood revitalized. You don't tear down the historic houses and replace them. Before long, we won't have any heritage left in this neighborhood. I believe that you need to start in the communities, bring back the communities, and make them look presentable, and then you'll have economic development. You can't spur economic development by putting in $1 million building right here and setting it in the neighborhood and thinking that everything's going to happen around it. If the neighborhood's filled with crime, it's not going to happen. This political advertisement was paid for by the Suzette Watkins for Council campaign.